this is referred to as the ROM joint. The ROM joint's used on both the elbow and the knee. It's, once again, it's an easy set, no tool joint. Rotate the joint around to its position. Pull this back. Pull it out just like that. Rotate it around. It'll automatically lock in position at the next stop. There it is. Nothing to it. Both the elbow and the knee uses the same lock. The next brace that I'm going to demonstrate is the ROM elbow. The ROM elbow is very easy to fit. Once again, open it up. Okay. Unlock your stops. Always unlock and set the stops off the patient. The ROM elbow is once again used for anytime you need to position. The elbow is range of motion. With range of motion, I just went into the ROM. With range of motion, once again, you wrap it around. Tie the straps. Put on your posterior strap. Adjust the elbow pad. The elbow pad can be put on prior to fitting, so you're laying the patient's elbow in it, thusly. Wrap it around, fit it snug, bring the pad through. Bring the pad through, then tighten the splint. In all splints, make sure you can at least get a finger underneath them so they aren't too tight. Make sure that the patient is comfortable and you have good circulation. Still, nothing to it. Once again, this is a very easy splint to reverse the pads so that you can put it on posteriorly. Slide the bar out, flip the pad over, nothing to it. It is 100% washable. Remove the covers, remove the bars, wash it, reassemble it. Be sure to keep the joints, do not wash them, keep them dry, and they will maintain their integrity for a long time. Nothing to fitting the ROM.